AI-generated phishing attacks by NepHack 2020 Stakes Edition. Dark, futuristic beat, low bass digital glitches, calm but serious flow. Phishing didn't disappear, it evolved. No broken grammar, no obvious fake links. Now it sounds human. Welcome to AI-generated phishing attacks. Phishing used to be sloppy, easy to detect. Now AI writes emails with perfect respect. It studies your language, your job, your role, your LinkedIn post, your digital soul. Yeah, learns how you speak, how you reply, what makes you panic, what makes you comply. Same tone as your boss, same flows in line. You think it's legit, but it's crossing the line. No spelling mistakes, no warning sign. That's why AI phishing works every time. AI-generated phishing, smart and clean. Sounds real, feels safe, looks routine. One click, one trust, access achieved. The system falls when humans believe. AI-generated phishing, quiet attack. No malware, noise, no exploit stack. It hacks the mind, not code or drive. That's how phishing stays alive. First comes recon, A scans your life. Social media, emails, work style strife. It knows who you trust, who you report to, what kind of message will push you through. Then comes generation, message on point, urgent task, invoice count joint, cloud reset link, DocuSign file, same format, same time, in perfect style. You click, you log in, credentials gone, attacker inside before alarms turn on. No exploit needed, no hacking sound, just social engineering, system down. Arrow scales, AI scales fast, thousands at once. Every email unique, no copy paste stunts. It adapts language, emotion, tone, fear, authority, trust fully cloned. Voice phishing calls with clone sound. Hey, it's me, familiar voice found. Deepfake meetings, fake CO face. AI phishing now runs the place. From email to Teams to Slack. AI phishing attacks the human stack. Firewalls don't click links. Antivirus doesn't trust voices. People do. And AI understands people better than ever. Verify request, slow it down. Urgency is where attackers drown. MFA on, zero trust flow. Assume breach mindset, that's pro. Check sender, headers, domain, slight change. One letter off, that's the game. Train the people, not just tools. Awareness beats expensive rules. Learn the attack, defend with brain. Ethical hackers break chains to explain. AI generated phishing, future crime. Fast, silent, deadly by design. No virus alert, no hacker trace. Just a trusted message in the wrong place. AI generated phishing, know the sign. Pause, verify, read between the lines. In the age of AI, stay awake. Your awareness is the strongest gate. Cross your face. In 2026, cybersecurity is not about computers. It's about people. Think. Then click. Then click. Then click. Teaching hackers to understand before they attack.